This is touch system laminating and bubble remove 2-in-1 machine, built-in air compression and vacuum bomb. Laminating and bubble remove only need one step. 100% no bubbles. Let us explain the tables. This is touch panel, vacuum tape, laminating tape, steel bubble pressure tape, laminating start key. Laminating pressure can adjust by pressure regulator. Adjust laminating pressure to 1.3 to 1.5. Operation step: plug in power line, turn on the power switch. Touch system start now. Click setting. Set the vacuum time to 15 seconds. Laminating time 25 seconds. Steel bubble time 5 minutes. Laminating steel bubble temperature 40 degrees. Click confirm. Open the motion cover lid. Clean the LCD before we already cleaned. Take off the OCA protect film. Then use one finger. Click the middle string softly. Put it to laminating area in order. Here we can put 6 screens for iPhone 4. Close the cover lid, tighten the screws now. Click automatically. Press the start button. Vacuum air removed start. Tighten the screws again. Make sure there is no air leaking. It will turn bubble remove after 25 seconds. Now we only need just waiting 25 seconds. The machine will start the bubble removal, and after 5 minutes it will be automatically exhaust. Now waiting another 5 minutes. When time is up, loosen the screws. Open the lid, take out the springs, check it. no bubbles at all.